It's time to elevate things up with arguably the most extensive ingredients list I've ever used in a single cocktail. I'm also introducing Briganti Wine's Sparkling Rosé. And fun fact, I represent Briganti Wines here in Nevada, and if you'd like to offer this as well as any of the other wine offerings we have in your restaurant, bar, or liquor shop, don't hesitate to reach out. My contact information is at the bottom of my bio. And with that said, today we're making the Vice Royalty. And if you're new here and enjoy these short and to the point cocktail videos, please consider hitting that subscribe button and the bell to be notified of upcoming videos. So let's head to the bar and make this. For this cocktail, of course, you're going to be using Briganti Wine's Sparkling Rosé. Additionally, you'll be using Pisco, Strega, Cointreau, Peychaud's bitters, freshly squeezed lime juice, egg whites, and in my case, I do use carton egg whites because I don't like the mess of using an egg, and a mint sprig for garnish. As overwhelming as that drink was, the tools I'll be using for this drink are a shaker set, a Hawthorne strainer, and a fruit squeezer. Everything I use in my bar as well as in this cocktail are linked in my description, so don't hesitate to pick up any bar essentials you might need. Starting with the shaker, add in 1.5 ounces of Pisco. Now it's time to add 1/4 ounce of Strega. Next, add 1.25 ounce of Cointreau. Now add 1/2 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. And next add 1/2 of an egg white, or in my case, 1.5 tablespoons of egg whites. And lastly, add 4 dashes of Peychaud's bitters. Now add ice to the shaker and shake for about 15 to 20 seconds. And now strain everything into a Collins glass already filled with ice. Looks like I'll need to top this off with a bit more ice because this glass is too big. And lastly, top it off with 2 ounces of Briganti Wine's Sparkling Rosé. And there you have it, the Vice Royalty. Cheers. Not bad. If I had to characterize this drink in like a few words, I would say it's like a Strega creamsicle. The egg whites, as always, really mellow out this drink and make it more smoothie and creamy. Kind of a bad way to describe it, but that's what I'm tasting. You get the Pisco and the Cointreau and the Strega. Everything just works well together, and that lime juice does finish on the end. So there is a punch of citrus. Either way, not a bad drink at all. I would actually make this for a party. My biggest concern with this drink is there's so many ingredients that it would be really hard to consistently make for a party. You'd be constantly pulled aside. But it's a fun drink, it'll impress your friends, and it tastes really good. But don't take my word for it. Would you try making this drink? Would you scare up all the ingredients and make this cocktail? Let me know in the comments. Additionally, please consider hitting that subscribe button and the bell to be notified. I put out new videos and shorts each week, and the support means a ton. But until next time, cheers.